up guys? Game 6. Game 6 against Quezon. Undefeated pa rin sila. So, wala pang talo. So, yun, subukan natin na bigyan sila ng talo. Pero, yun nga, ready lang. And super excited ako ngayon. And, sana maganda laruin natin. Maganda ipakita ng team natin. So, abangan nyo guys.
And Jennifer Cabanag as well.
Jennifer Cabanag. So you're right. They're probably about 18 to 20 man deep in Caloocan.
Kian Baclaan missing on the jumper. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Baclaan. Ball knocked away by Judel Fuentes. 2 seconds. Cassian has to fire. Yes!
You know, I've seen.
Kian Baclaan, that is the problem when you face Kian Baclaan. He just puts a lot of pressure on you defensively.
Kian Baclaan, whenever he has that basketball, he has full control of the offense. Kaya napakahirap basahin ni Kian Baclaan.
And, Baclaan finds Jammer Hamito for 2. Check out this jumper galing kay Kian Baclaan. Just has a lot of hang time on that shot. Kaya sasabit at sasabit ka talaga pag binabantay mo to si Kian. Player, talk about a perfect move there from Kian Baclaan. Ganda ng galaw na to, partner.
Doing it against a well-respected defender in the MPBL against Cyrus Tapi. That is a tough finish.
Razon was wide open momentarily. Baclaan takes it in. Baclaan puts it in, +1.
The word for Kian Baclaan is control.
Baclaan back with the basketball. Kian drives inside. Kian Baclaan has taken over the handles, partner. Rarely loses the handle of that basketball. He has that ball on a string, pretty much.
Even with a lot of pressure in front of him.
Can they stop the individual brilliance of Kian Baclaan? Baclaan, back to back.
Not even a lot of space for Kian Baclaan. Diego Dario fighting over the screen. He was really started with that guy. Kian Baclaan taking over the ball game in the end game.
Maraming salamat sa Del. First of all, Kian, congratulations. You are well defended in this game, pero tonight pinatunayan mo sa amin that you have that much talent that you tend to be unstoppable. Perfect example nga yung back-to-back threes mo kanina, no?
Siguro, yun nga, buong season kasi, all season long, nung nag-start yung preseason, wala pa akong, kasing field goal sa 3 points eh. So, lagi lang nila sinasabi na once na nakaka-create ako sa teammate ko, umaatake ako. So, nakukuha ko yung nung kalaban eh, yung attention nila. So ayun, nung time na yun, 1 seconds na lang sa shot clock, 1 second na lang. So sabi ko, pag nakuha ko, titira ko na lang. So nung shoot, sabi ko, try ko isa pa. So ganun naman ako, once na nakakashoot ako, kumpiyansa lang din talaga sa sarili.
Very well said. At Kian, nabanggit din ito ng panel na ang bilis tumaas ng confidence, yung pagiging komportable mo in this team. What is the reason behind that?
Yun nga, 2 months ago, coming from injury ako eh. So yung injury na yun, major injury, hindi naman siya madali na injury lang eh. So sa akin, sa buong laro ko, wala akong nilalarong maganda eh. So kumbaga, ito na yung pinakamagandang nilaro ko. So sabi ko, yun nga, nung nakakuha ko na kumpiyansa kanina nung first half, sabi ko sana magtuloy-tuloy. So ayun, kahit pa paano, nagtuloy-tuloy naman. And sana, and yun nga, number one team pa yung Quezon, wala pang talo. So kumbaga sa akin, sobrang akong pressure sa nangyayari. And alam naman natin, nung pagpunta ko sa Loocan, parang yung pressure na sa akin. So sabi ko, yun lang, laro ko lang yung laro ko kung ano yung talent na binigay sa akin. Tatrabahuin ko lang kung ano yung sistema na binibigay ni Coach Mike. Yung tiwala ni Coach Mike sa akin, so sobrang grabe. So ayun, binigay ko lang talaga yung tiwala na yun sa akin.
What a very humble guy.
Shoutout sa anak ko, kay Tali.
Ayun guys, panalo tayo and number 1 team sa bracket namin. So, good win. Yun, siguro nag-boost din sa akin. Ginawa ko ni Coach starting guard. So, kasi ito yung first start ko eh sa pro. So, yun, medyo kagabi pa lang ready na ako na alam ko start ako eh. So, yun, at least maganda yung kinalabasan, di ba? Ano pa, best player pa. And Quezon pa yung tinalo namin. So may game pa kami sa March 5. And sana magtuloy-tuloy lang yung kumpiyansa natin. And yun, makakuha natin lahat ng mga panalo, remaining games. So sana magtuloy-tuloy guys. So abangan nyo lahat yung vlog natin. Let's go!